Welcome to Valencia!
Hey, good morning everybody. It's another of my Philippine dreams, and once again I am chewing gum while doing a video. Today is Sunday. I don't know the exact date. It's sometimes toward the end of February. I have successfully ditched the pregnant fiance and I am up here in Valencia, and it's Sunday, so we're going to check out the market that they have. So come along and let's see what they got. I guess I should have prefaced this by saying it's an absolutely gorgeous day. The market is actually over there, and also over there are those beautiful trees. Those are really old. I think they're balate trees, I'm not quite sure. And also over there is the notorious red tables, and we'll be checking that out in a little bit. Now, right here is the parish of Our Lady of the Abandoned, Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados. Now, this is the landmark, so if you ever get lost and you're feeling abandoned, just say, I'm at the church, the parish of the Lady of the Abandoned, and meet me there, because this is the big landmark in Valencia, and it's right up behind the big park space that we're going to be going to check out. This is, I mean, Valencia is really nice. It's historically a lot cooler up here. I mean, we're not that high. I think we're only like 300-400 meters. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, above sea level, but the temperature is usually noticeably lower. Now, the only problem is it also gets a lot of rain, but today is not raining. It's actually a beautiful day, so enough talking. Let's go check it out. Yeah, okay, here we go. Also, they're doing some road construction, so be careful. I had to park over at the city hall. All right, one thing, nice thing that they've done here is there's like a natural amphitheater all along the interior wall here of the park, and they've actually put down seats and everything, and everybody's relaxing and, I don't know, smoking cigarettes down here, because that's how we roll. Yeah. Well, this caught my attention here. Pastrami with horseradish. Oh. Yeah, cooking it up. Another great thing about living up at altitude here is the variety of succulents and plants and bushes and trees that they grow here. It's a veritable farm. I mean, it's literally a farm, sorry. As you can see, you can basically get just about anything here for your arboreal needs. There's even like flowers over there. And there's a friendship palm. When I first came to the Philippines, I thought friendship palms were fake and made of plastic. Yeah, I've come a long ways. And I don't know what that is, but that's like a pine tree. All right, enough of the bushes. They got some really nice plants here though. I got a bunch of these at the house. These are nice. I don't have any of the red ones or the green ones. Maybe they won't survive at the higher temperatures down below. And of course, here's some marijuana growing. A lot of marijuana growing in the Philippines. I don't know what's up with that. Be careful. Alright, so this is the notorious red tables here in Valencia. It's right off the public square. I'm not going to actually film anybody down here because I'm trying to protect the guilty from against themselves. But a lot of times people will come down here and start drinking, I don't know, around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning. And there's been all kinds of interesting things that have happened here. Oh, the stories these red tables could tell. Alright, so now I'm going to get a sausage sandwich, go back to the car and go down to Octagon and see if I can watch the Wilder Fury fight. Alright, here we go. Oh, and that's an acacia tree. It's not a balete. Okay, I was gonna get a sausage sandwich, but then I found out that the wait is 20 to 30 minutes because over here there's a huge line that I was bucking, and I don't want to do that because there's some rough-looking characters in there, and I'm not even gonna film them because there's some rough-looking characters over there. But if you're up here, just come here early and get your sausage sandwich. This place is doing crazy business. Yeah, considering that it's probably freezing cold in Boston right now, this is absolutely a gorgeous day. Absolutely gorgeous. If it was like this all the time, the Philippines really would be paradise. It really would be. But soon, Amihan will be leaving us, the trade winds, and we're gonna be getting the monsoon from the northwest. And it's gonna get gross and hot and no breeze. All right, in the middle here, there's a little pavilion, a pavilion. I have no idea what they do here, but I do know that the kids like to come down here and they got dance groups and stuff, and they practice their dance routines. Hi, good morning. Kumusta? Mayong buntag. This is my first time up here in Valencia, and it's very nice. It's very nice. Are you guys proud of Valencia?
Yes.
You got Valencia pride?
Yes.
All right. So what are y'all doing? Just hanging out?
No. We are here to practice our dance.
Dance. I was just talking about that. Do you guys want to get on my YouTube channel and do a little routine for us? Come on.
Because we haven't practiced yet.
That's okay. I'll dance with you. Okay, so we got the music, we got the tunes, and you can see this is a JBL, and I'm sure it's real. It's not a Class A. And they've been doing the music, but we can't seem to get the choreography because the choreographer is not doing his job. So maybe we'll come up here another time and do it because they seem to be awfully shy. They don't seem confident in their abilities, their dance abilities. So maybe next time. Yeah. So you guys subscribe to my channel?
Yeah.
All right. It's the best channel in Dumaguete. Yeah, sure. Okay. All right. Well, thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Peace out. All right. Subscribe. And a little bit down from the pavilion, they have a fountain, but there's no water in it because, you know, water. And they also have a statue, and I don't know who this guy is, but every time I see him, I get concerned because he's wearing very heavy clothing, and it must be really hot to be wearing that here. Oh, look, another dance troupe. All right, let's see if we get these people. So this is a big thing on the weekends. The kids all come up here and they do this. I don't know who that is. Quinta Shah.
It's Jose Rizal.
Oh, that's Jose Rizal.
Yes.
Jose Rizal. He's a Philippine hero. Hey. We got a dance troupe here?
Yes. Our dance troupe.
Are they any good?
Yes, they're good.
They're very good?
Yes, they're
Okay. They're professional? They're on tour in Valencia.
Yes.
All right. Let's see if we can get their permission to do this.
5, 6, 7, go. Tap, tap, down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, tap, tap, down. Balik.
You were a star before. You were a star before. Also, this is the tennis courts. They got tennis courts up here in Valencia. This is pretty sweet. And they actually have the little, you know, stands for the guy to sit in, to be the referee, I guess, the judge, whatever. It could use some paint, but, you know, the net works. And, yeah, great view. Again, more acacia trees, balete, all kinds of stuff. Valencia. And for those of you with children, there's actually a playground up here, and it's public access, and it's really nice, and they got slides over there, and they got swings, and it's actually sand, so in case your kid flies off, it's not going to get too injured. And yeah, it's really nice. And just again, the landscaping, they got the basketball court over here, more areas for people just to hang out and do the bonding thing. Got the dance crews, and it's just freaking nice up here, man. It is really nice. So much different than downtown Dumaguete or my neighborhood. Okay, so that's my stunning conclusion to my Sunday morning in Valencia. Now I'm heading down to Octagon to see if I can see the Wilder Fury fight. Till next time, this is Ned over My Philippine Dreams. Peace. And if you notice, this time I actually took the gum out of my mouth before I did the video. So everybody's been on me for chewing gum during videos. That was for you. Yeah, I'm the idol of your husband? Oh, thank you for saying that. Oh, okay. Well, he always watches my YouTube. Well, he doesn't have to anymore because he's in the Philippines. People are only supposed to watch it when they're not in the Philippines.
Until now, he's in the US.
Oh, he's in the US. Oh, okay. Well, give him my best, Ned. Ned said hello. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.